There's a well-worn maxim, too many chiefs and not enough Indians. Well, I'd like to suggest one more chief, the Chief Mobility Officer, or what I like to call the Cee Mobo, so as not to be confused with the Chief Marketing Officer or CMO. With the explosion in work anywhere, smartphones, universal cloud access, and unprecedented anywhere, anytime availability of all your desk resources, mobile apps have never enjoyed so much popularity. And this is just the beginning. An ABI research study projects that 44 billion, that's right, 44 billion mobile apps will be downloaded in the next 5 years. That's almost 7 mobile apps for every man, woman, and child on the face of the earth. But the C-suite is getting pretty crowded, you might say. On the nouveau side, there's chief security officers, chief marketing and chief revenue officers, along with the traditional CFO, COO, and CEO. Why add another chirping voice vying for precious enterprise resources? Does mobility warrant C-level status? Well, maybe not yet, but perhaps it will in 6, 12, or 18 months. Appointing a Cee Mobo is a bold bet on the future, that work will be performed wherever the worker is. The office as we know it will be anywhere they choose to be. I am not a lone voice in advocating for the Cee Mobo. Forrester Research, which granted never hesitates to go out on a limb, has advocated for the Cee Mobo, as have several bloggers, including our own Enterprise CIO Forum, Kara Shockley. Who in your organization would fit well enough in the unbaked mold of the Cee Mobo? A mobile app developer? Let's go further out on a limb and say that the CIO should morph into the Cee Mobo. Okay, I've gone too far, but the point remains. If the Cee Mobo does not have a role yet, they will. You best give the idea some serious consideration. Can 44 billion downloads be wrong? I'm John Dodge, Community Manager of the Enterprise CIO Forum. Thanks for watching. See you again.